Today we are making chicken, and what goes better with chicken than a good marinade? And actually this isn't quite a marinade, but it's a best chicken spray. If you've ever gone to any kind of chicken festival and you think, what do they put on that chicken? Well, this is pretty much the recipe. So I've doubled it. If you're gonna make less than 20 pounds of chicken, which is what I'm making today, you probably wanna cut this in half. Now these first ingredients, it's 1.5 teaspoons of each of them. So again, cut this in half if you're making less. So we have onion salt, celery salt, garlic salt, poultry seasoning, and crushed red pepper or cayenne, whichever you want. We have 2/3 of a cup of salt, regular salt, 2 sticks of butter, 4 cups of vinegar, and 4 cups of water. We're gonna put it all in this pan, bring it to a boil, then we're gonna let it cool. We're gonna strain it because we want all the chunks out of here so it works in a real nice squirt bottle, and then we're gonna spray the chicken. All right, so once this is boiling, we're gonna turn the heat back to a simmer for about a half hour, and then we're gonna strain it and start spritzering the chicken. All right, we've boiled this, we've simmered it for a half hour, and now we're just gonna strain it so we can put it in a sprayer and the sprayer won't get all clogged up. You don't have to strain this. I do because I like to put it in a sprayer, but you could just put this in a pan and baste it right onto your chicken. It's pretty good, but you get a little bit more of the spices when you do that because the pepper and all that stuff is in there if you're basting. If you're filtering, then you're pretty much just getting the liquid. So all right, so there's your chicken marinade. I know it doesn't look like much, but it is absolutely delicious. Alrighty, so our chicken's done. I'm about to get it in the cooler in just a minute, but let's take a piece of this and see how we've done here. Let me move this out of the way. First thing to check is the skin. That's actually really, really good. So that's how you cook chicken with the best marinade ever. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have a great day. Thanks.